How to do slow-mo on Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can do slow-mo on Capcut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your Capcut application. Now tap on new project and select the video. Once you are on this page, now tap on the video and here at the toolbar you can see the second option is speed. Click on it. Now here you can again see two different options. Click on curve option. Now here are different customized slow motion you can use on your video. For example, I will use this custom. Now again click on edit button. Now finally from here you can add the beats on the speed curve in order to control where the slow motion ends and start. In order to slow down the video, just click on this black dot and lower down the beats. Now you can see the slow motion has applied on the video. You can edit as much as you wish, and once you are done with the product of the video, finally click on this checkmark option at the bottom of the screen. Again click on that checkmark option. Now you can export the video and that's it. In this way you can do slow-mo on Capcut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.